Hey guys, welcome back. It's me. Yeah, I look a mess right now because we're about to put a wig on. Today, I am showing you guys a wig from Isee Hair. This is what the wig looks like after it's been washed. Here is the lace, and the packaging for this hair company is top notch. So cute. It came with so many little goodies. I love the color pink, so I love that like everything was pink on the inside. So I have a 24-inch tiny knots pre-bleached straight glueless wig. So since this is one of their wear and go wigs, you're supposed to be able to just put the wig on and go, and I highly believe that you can do that. These wigs are so beginner friendly because they do come pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and the lace is already cut. My wig was washed, so I have to run a flat iron over this hair, but it did come straight. And yeah, I feel like if you're like me, I feel like I'm still a beginner because a lot of times I do not know what I be doing with these wigs, y'all. But I'm obsessed. But this was really an easy wig. Like you could put it on and go. But I did have to run like my hot comb through the roots because, like I said, I did wash mine. You're you don't have to wash them, but if you're like me, you want to wash a wig. But neither here nor there. Really love this hair. This is a 24-inch unit. I don't know the density on it, but the hair is nice and full. It's not thin at all. And yeah, I really don't have to do much to the wig. I'm just going to straighten this wig. I am going to add a little bit of powder foundation to the part, well, to the lace, because it doesn't blend right in with my skin. And that's it. That's all we're going to do. And I'm just going to apply some serum to lay it down a little bit and give the hair some sheen. But that is it. Super easy. This was probably like one of the easiest wigs I had to put on because you didn't have to do much. So I'm just going to put some edge control on my edges and we're done. We're done here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be sure to list all of Isee's hair information in the description box for you guys, as well as a direct link to the unit that I'm wearing. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.